Hey friends, if you encounter the error 0xC004C008 activation server determined that the product key can't be used, then please watch this video. I will help you with it. So basically this means that the product key is already in use. Now why would it happen? I will give you two situations, and this has also been mentioned on this forum as a satisfactory answer. So if it is a KMS key, then it has an activation limit. If it is a volume licensing key, it has an activation limit. It can be activated up to 10 times on 6 different computers, and for more you will have to contact Microsoft support for it. But there is a second type of key, which is the OEM key, which is inbuilt into a computer. If you try to use it on a different computer, it will not work. And the third one is a retail key. A retail key will definitely work. Okay, so a retail key will be the solution to the problem, but if you have purchased any other sort of key, then it will not work beyond its limit. So this is the solution, and there's no other solution to it. You will have to work with it. Yes, if it is a KMS key, then you can call Microsoft support, but otherwise you cannot do anything about this issue. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.